Never worked on a car before I got this BMW, and already we've changed the battery, changed the alternator, and now we're attempting the bodywork. These are the repairs we're working on today. As you can see, it's not in the best of condition. The first step is removing all the rust so there's no chance it can come back in the future. Third step is getting a batch of body filler made and adding the body filler to the area you're working on. These are all clips from my latest YouTube video on the E46 series. Check it out, because before I got this car, I've never worked on any car before. Subscribe.